Hi, just a couple of things to consider about the full moon in Gemini, which is coming up this week. It is an extremely intense week, and possibly you guys are feeling that as well, in your own way. There's so much going on collectively, and so much that is being kind of pushed out there, right? In politics with celebrities, lots of deceptive, weird, crazy things going on. I'm sure many of you have noticed different things as well. This full moon is a really powerful portal because it's conjunct Mars exactly. Mars is retrograde. Mars is going to be occulted by the moon, meaning it's going to be hidden by the moon just for a few minutes. That occultation is extremely important and significant for us personally and collectively. And the occult just means what is hidden. So something will be revealed to us, right? In not too far away. So just keep an eye on that, and keep an eye on what's going on around you and what people are saying and doing, because this Mars is square Neptune, okay? It really does speak, unfortunately, does speak to deceptive behavior and bullshit words. You've just got to really be very, very alert and very awake and aware of what's going on. Mars and Moon are both portals that carry quite a subconscious and unconscious type of energy. So being a full moon, which means to illuminate things, to make us more aware, it's going to illuminate any deceptive things that have been going on between Mars and Neptune relative to people's behaviors and things of that nature. The occult means hidden, so something's going to be revealed during this time. So just watch out for that, and really just try and lay low as well. It's such an intense energy. Mars is a malefic. Whichever way you look at it, it is a malefic. In traditional Hellenistic astrology, very rightly so, it is considered to be a malefic. It is a very difficult energy. When it's conjunct the moon, it's not an easy portal at all. It can be great for our own personal empowerment with emotional confidence and courage, but that needs to be really carefully navigated with awareness, authentic intention, and approaches and action and so forth. But this particular portal with Mars, this last full moon of 2022, is huge, and this week is just insane and crazy, and there's so much going on. I'd be interested to hear how you are going with it so far, even though it hasn't quite hit yet, but we're almost there. Just be careful of things and people around you. Be very, very aware, and be very careful of what you are really believing and what people's intentions and motivations really are. There's some really dodgy things going on, sadly. It's just how it is. We need to be awake and aware, remain aligned, and don't fall into the trap and the hook of being